Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Ford EcoSport infotainment system. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is running to maintain power throughout the process. You'll need to identify your current sync version, as this dictates the update method and USB formatting. Having the right tools, like a properly formatted USB drive, is crucial for a smooth update. Let's get started on keeping your system current. Before beginning, navigate to the official Ford support website. You'll need to enter your vehicle's identification number, or VIN, to find the specific updates available for your EcoSport. Once identified, download the appropriate software package to your computer. Remember to format your USB drive correctly, XFAT for Sync 3 systems, or FAT32 for earlier sync versions. This preparation ensures compatibility and prevents installation errors. With your USB drive prepared, extract all downloaded update files directly to its root directory. Next, take the USB drive to your EcoSport and insert it into a USB port. The sync system should automatically detect the update files and begin the installation process. This can take up to 45 minutes, so please be patient and avoid turning off the vehicle or removing the USB drive during this time. The screen may go blank or reboot several times. Once the installation is complete, your sync system will display a confirmation message. Remove the USB drive and restart your vehicle to finalize the update. If you experience any issues, such as lagging or missing features, performing a master reset through the settings menu can often resolve them. This returns the system to factory defaults, allowing a fresh start. And speaking of great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers. Enjoy your updated Ford EcoSport infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.